Hello there friends, it's Mia. The last time I was in Bangkok was 11 years ago. It was the last stop of my Indochina backpacking trip. So much has happened since then and so much has changed, and I'm really glad to be able to visit again, this time with my mom and my 3 sisters. Join us on day 1 of the trip, and expenses will be shared in the end. Selling ninyo ng Thai baht?
Thai baht, 2.08.
Thank you. Miss, magkano selling ng Thai baht?
2.1.
How much do you buy in Philippine peso? Okay, now let's make our way down to the Bila. Doon yung connection niya kung sasakay ka ng train. At the same time, doon din yung magandang exchange rate. So, close to yung airport rail. Like 5:20 pa siya mag-open. Terminal guide, dito tayo ngayon. Sarado pa naman lahat dahil 4 o'clock pa lang dito. Let's just take the Grab to the city.
Door opening. The lift is going up. Patulong
get something to eat dito sa Ibis. Malapit sa hotel. Cheese sandwiches. Actually, curious ako dito eh. Croissant sandwich. Looks good. And let's get a drink. The basic orange juice. And kukuha na ba tayo ng chips? Oh my gosh, grabe yung pasta. Snacks. Salted mango. This is our room for the next 3 nights. Yung hotel na yan, yung Lovely, we stayed there back in 2012. It's a hostel type naman na accommodation. Okay din siya. Ganda. I don't know kumusta na siya ngayon, pero ang ganda ng pwesto natin, no? Ayan lang yung train station. Let's do a room tour. This is the deluxe triple dito sa Kritthai Residence. Pagpasok mo, patungan ng luggage, water, coffee, sugar, ironing board. May iron pala. Okay. Tapos across yung banyo, may tub, towels. Ay, cute. May kasama kang bata. May bath bomb, may bayad pala. 250 baht. Ay, cute. Tapos yan yung mga amenities. Nakasama shower gel, shampoo, and body lotion. Tapos, shower cap. Toilet with a bidet. Ample naman yung size niya, oh. Diba? And then here you have a dresser or desk. Call it what you want. And the beds. It's 1 queen and the double. Ay, double ba yan? Hindi. 1 queen and a twin or single. I should learn my bed sizes.
Yes, goodbye. Well, I don't
don't know what I'm gonna do now.
Well, what's the problem, Emma?
Not get here because of the storm.
Florence? We'll figure something out.
Salmon and tuna mayo na croissant sandwich from 7-Eleven. Masarap yung bread, pero yung palaman niya, tamis. Siguro nung mas mainit pa to, mas masarap siya. Try natin to. Hindi ko alam ang brand to, pero na-curious ako kasi kakaiba yung flavor. Nakalagay grilled lobster with yuzu sauce. Gutom ako. Isa pa, kaya ko siya nagustuhan yung shape niya, parang siyang Nova. Wavy. Parang siyang Nova, pero parang ano yung mga chicharon na hindi chicharon. Sila mangwan. Sarap to. Masarap, kakaiba. Tapos ito, binuksan ko lang. Ganun din naman yung lasa. Pero 100% to. Less sugar. Masarap to kasi maalat siya, diba? Pero nababalance out the flavor ng yuzu. Tutulog na muna ako kasi antok na antok ako. Kain muna ako at mag-rest. Let's go start our exploration. That's our hotel. Papunta dun yung Jim Thompson. Anyway, dito tayo pupunta. Ang first plan natin ay bumili ng bakulaw. May parang sporting goods area dito. Let's walk. Sabi sa lakad parang mga 6 or 8 minutes. Ganito pala yung traffic dito pag ganitong oras. So, pero kagabi dire-diretso lang yan. Maganda tong area na to. Kasi parang dulo siya ng Siam. Doon tayo pupunta yun. Kee La Pun. Para bili tayo ng gloves. Silip tayo dito sa logo. Naku, Ate, sorry, bakit mo kang mukha? I'm so sorry. Yan si Siam Center. Ito si MP. Parang siyang Myeongdong, itong area na ito. Yung huli kong punta. lot of walking. It's crazy. Epi gyoza. Ang ganda ng loob niyan. Dati. Ito yung pineapple. Ang liliit, no? Isang subuan. Dalawa naman. Ano kaya ito? Sorry, what's this?
Sala.
Sala. Thank you. Isa ba? Gusto ko tingnan mo. 60 baht. Ganyang kadami. Rambutan. $40 baht. 10 baht.